Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to add an avatar to your comments on Instagram using your Android device. Let's enhance your interactions with this fun and personalized feature. To get started, launch the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, scroll down through your feed until you find the post where you'd like to leave an avatar comment. Tap on the comment bar below the post to begin typing your comment. Express yourself uniquely by adding an avatar to your comment. Look for the sticker icon at the bottom right corner of the comment box. Then, tap on the avatar button located at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the sticker icon at the bottom right of the comment box, and then tap the avatar button that appears. This will open the avatar selection menu for you to choose from. Choose an avatar from the available options that best represents your message or mood. Once you've selected the desired avatar, simply tap on it to use it in your comment. After selecting the avatar, send it by tapping on it. Your comment will now include the chosen avatar, adding a touch of personalization and creativity to your interaction. By incorporating avatars into your Instagram comments, you can make your communication more engaging and visually appealing. Elevate your social media experience and express yourself uniquely with the use of avatars in your comments.